Hey folks, this is Gabe at Security.org, and today I want to answer some of the most frequently asked questions regarding the Lorex 2K video doorbell. Now, we've been really impressed by how Lorex has come through in recent years, really improving upon their products. So let's go ahead and start with our first question. Now, first question is, does Lorex 2K require a subscription? And no, you do not need to subscribe to any monthly plan. It has local storage, so you can get the Lorex 2K and you'll just be able to see everything going on. Our second question is, what do the visuals look like with the Lorex 2K? Clear, crisp, really looks great. And even the night vision was rather impressive. You can see things pretty clearly. You don't have any issues with people being too close or too far. You're going to capture what's happening in front of your home with your Lorex 2K video doorbell, and it's going to look great. Our next question is, how much is the Lorex 2K? I mean, price is always important. You want to have, maybe more than just a doorbell in front of your home. You want to have some cameras. You want to get an idea of the overall price. Well, this device is not the least, affordable, but it's also not the most affordable. So it's about $179.99 when it was released for the Lorex 2K. Now, of course, head on over to Security.org to get an up-to-date price on the Lorex 2K. Our final question is the Lorex 2K easy to install? And I would say generally it is pretty easy. Now, it's not as easy as some of the battery-powered video doorbells out there on the market. This does need to be incorporated into your existing system, or you get to figure something else out because it does require both of the wires to be plugged into the back. But this was not too tough. I think I had mine set up in about 30 minutes, maybe less. Now, of course, I do have to do this pretty often, but I'm also not the handiest person out there. I can swing a hammer here and there, but I do think pretty much anyone can set this up in under an hour. All right, so that's a look at the Lorex 2K and some of the most frequently asked questions. Now, of course, if you'd like to check out our full comprehensive review, you can check it out here at Security.org YouTube channel. And of course, you can head over to our website, Security.org, where we have a full comprehensive written review on the Lorex 2K.